It's a wonderful time of year here in Costa Rica. Today, here at the Jungle Temple, Templo de la Jungla in Parita, Vasconia de Parita, Punta Arenas, Costa Rica, estoy cosechando manzana de aguas. I am harvesting water apples. There are literally tens of thousands right now. I have 4 giant trees. Towards the end of the video, I will show you all of the trees, but for now, just giving an intro and showing you a bit of harvesting of some of them, and I'll move around spot to spot as I'm harvesting to show you more. My goal is to fill up this bag, which should be about 5 kilograms, 5 kilos, and I will be selling bags of 500 grams or half a kilo for 1,500 colones, which is about $3 USD. Yeah, so anybody watching, when you come to Costa Rica, right now is mid-March. Usually I have a big giant harvest around this time, so beginning of March to the end of March, and then we usually get 3 rounds of fruiting per year. So once all these come down, there will be another round of flowers. As you can hear, all the birds are super excited because they're eating them too. These trees are about 80, 90 feet tall at this point. So the birds will come in, the monkeys will come visit soon, and we as humans got to take what we can get while they're here. So I just want to show you, like, just walking around, these are perfectly good fruits that are on the ground because they fall every day because they're so ripe. So, wow. The flavor is amazing right now. Can't really explain or describe the flavor when compared to something in the US, because there's nothing like this in the US. It's not like a typical apple. Kind of looks like the flesh of it on the inside, but it's much softer, very sweet. Oh my God. I did so much concrete work this morning, I'm dehydrated, and these are full of water. It's like a sweet water treat. Oh my God. All right, I'm indulging. So I'll come through, find good ones to harvest. There's a bunch up there. Let me see if I can get them. Here's a good one. 3 at a time. I get the really ripe ones, and you can leave the ones that are not fully ripe yet. And in a few more days they'll be ripe. So already filling up the bag a little bit. Come with me as we find more. Let's go right here. There's a bunch here. You see there? A little chewed up. You see them all up in the tree, and there's literally hundreds in every spot. We'll just keep cruising around. You'll see them over my head as we go. Oh, here's more. So you see the unripe ones, and you see ripened ones. They all grow a bunch of leaves. Cruising more. Keep on cruising through. Again, I have, my English is bad, pardon me. so many everywhere. Look at this heaven here. Whipping you around on the tripod. All right, now I'm gonna head all throughout that section until it fills up. Still going. Oh, okay. Now the fun part. If I can get my bag underneath. Like a monkey. I hope you saw me up there. Yeah, I think you did. Anyway, bag is quickly filling here. Can you see? Quickly filling up. Let's see. Yeah, that's a good view of more. Many. Let's take a cruise over here. Yeah, we got a bunch. More. Jungle toad. Let's see if I can give it a little shaky and they all come down. That's the monkey technique. Shake the branch when they're ripe, they all just fall down. Where else? And more. Follow me. Let's go. Oh, we got more. Come on up, come on down. We're having a lot of fun right now. With a couple apples here and a couple apples there. Apples up high and I'm prepared to climb. Let's see. Where else can we go? Jesus, look at it. Literally all the way up the tree. Hundreds and hundreds, definitely in the thousands, I would say at this point. Let's see where else we can go. Oh, yeah, here's a bunch. All right, a little bit more. The bag is filling up quick. Oh, got some more here. Can you see them up there? There they are. My feet are all still We're jumping things. I can't climb with these slippery boots. I'm back. That's the last of today's harvest. Alright. So, this is my big bag full. This is what we got today. We've got a couple ants, but they'll find their way out. The ants are all over the trees. All right, that is harvesting manzana de agua, or water apple, in Costa Rica. Thank you for watching.